Hi, Guy Powell here, just getting ready to interview Kevin Surace, and we'll be learning about fueling growth through marketing and AI. Kevin is an expert in AI and digital transformation, so definitely don't miss this interview. So, Kevin, just to kind of get started, so what is the one thing you think will drive AI and marketing in the next few years?
Uh, it's everything in marketing, because marketing is so much about content creation and uh, certainly generative AI. Let's just take that subset of AI is the consummate content generator. It's the consummate content generator. So if you're in marketing and you got to generate advertisements, blog posts, data sheets, whatever, I mean, you now have the best companion to multiply your brain by 100x than you've ever had, and you are going to use it. And if you're not, your competitor is.
Yeah, and absolutely. Well, to your point, it definitely multiplies the marketer's capabilities. I guess one of the things I'm a little afraid about though is if marketers use AI, are they going to generate then 100 times more content? Hopefully, it's more quality as opposed to quantity.
They will certainly generate more quantity. Quality is up to the beholder, right? It's up to, what did someone put in and what did they edit when it came out and what they decide to post or publish or whatever. But these tools definitely give everyone the ability to write, thousands of times faster than they
Yeah,
would
yeah.
actually be able to type it themselves.
Yeah, and it really does make a difference. Well, let's cut it there for just a moment, and we'll do the full interview coming up. So, to the audience, stay tuned for the full interview about to be launched in the next few days. This is Guy Powell, and I am the author of The Post-COVID Marketing Machine. Kevin, thanks a bunch.
Yeah, glad to be here.